Just a quick video here on my wind turbines and stuff. Haven't done a video for a long time, and yeah, I'm due I'm due to put one up, so here it is. This is the 48 volt 500 watt turbine, and you can see so the kind of open circuit voltage, or the turbine side voltage, is here 69. It goes up, it kind of tops out at around 90 volts. So if anyone was kind of putting in a 48 volt turbine, you need to make sure that your controller can take the voltage. This one is 250 is the max voltage, so it's well covered. This turbine, this has been absolutely brilliant since I changed the upgraded to the 48 volt, because of it's a long wiring run, and when you have this kind of voltage coming in, it's just so much more efficient. So for anyone with long wiring runs, you have to go to 48. My wiring runs probably 50 meters or so. Yeah, so you can see there was about 600 watts on that 50 or on that 500 watt turbine. So it is quite windy today. It's gusting over 50 kilometers at the moment, but I'd say that's around the 50 mark. Now the smaller turbines used to be on this guy. This is now no longer in use. It's dead. Well, no, sorry, the controller's not dead, but the wind turbine is. This one is still working, so that's going to this meter here. So that's one turbine. It's kind of, I would say it's probably more likely a kind of 300 watt more than a 400 watt. And it's not in a great wind position. If you compare it to the bigger one, it's way less amperage from it. So yeah, I really should move it, but I'm talking with Green Energy to see can I get another turbine without blades. Oh yes, I see that. There you go. So 240. Not bad, but it's not getting great wind, and the other this big turbine is kind of blocking it a little bit as well, you know. So but just coming back to the turbine, these blades right here, I'm trying to get a turbine that'll take those blades. So that's the plan at the moment. So then when I have that, I'll probably do another video. These are 800 millimeters blades. I did have them on the 500 before, but they would not work because of the I had the wrong magnet size for the coil that was in the turbine. And if you're ever ordering spare parts, coils, magnets, you need to have them match the same size. The inside of the coil needs to be matching the magnets. So that's that one. So I'm going to show you the other turbine, what happened at the small turbine. So I'm going to pause the video right now, and then we'll go outside and I'll just show you the remaining bits I have of the turbine. It may be a little bit windy out there as well, so just bear that in mind. Okay, so this is my old turbine. We had a big storm recently, and the blades I had on the turbine, because I changed the coil, the blades I had on the turbine, they were too big for the coil basically and the magnets, so I had to get I should have changed them for smaller blades, or changed the turbine, whatever. So this is what's inside, what's left. So what happened was the the blade hit the wire, anchor wire for the pole, so that ended up in a catastrophic failure. Broke the housing, obviously. There is still brushes in there. Oh yeah, that's jammed tight. So basically the shaft actually broke off on the turbine, and that's what led to the front hitting the pole. So that's game over for this turbine. Yeah, that slip ring is jammed, so the stator, or the coil, is up. It's there somewhere. I think it's alright, but it's too small to do anything good with. So I'll just show you what wind we're getting today now. What 50 kilometers actually looks like. Now it might be a bit more as well, but zoom in a bit. So you can see the smaller turbine. It's not getting as much wind as the big one up there, but it is quite windy now. I should have tied up that other turbine, the smaller one, but I wasn't around, so I wasn't able to do that. So that's it. That big one survived 100 kilometers gust, which is quite impressive, and it's rightly exposed to the wind up there. So that's it. So that's all for this video. Hopefully I'll have a new video at some stage, and we'll try and show that new turbine if we get that from Green Energy. Okay, that's it. Like and subscribe. Thanks.